Okay everyone, let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. You're gonna need your 2 outer fabric and your 2 inner facing, and we're gonna be ironing on these onto the material. Once you finish ironing on the inner facing, let's put that aside. Work with our inside pockets. We are going to put these two together. So you're gonna lay both fabrics, right side touching each other. Leave a 6 centimeter gap. And then you're gonna sew all the way across, up, cross over, back down, and then cross, and then stopping at that other mark. Okay, you should now have it sewn all the way around. You're gonna cut these 4 corners. Okay, and then you're gonna take it to the iron, and you're gonna iron this out really good. Finish ironing it out. Let's go ahead and get our other inner fabric, and we're gonna be laying this pocket in place. Fold that in half, find the center, and you're gonna do the same thing for this as well. Fold that in half. Starting from the bottom section right here, we're gonna go up 4 centimeters and place that pocket. Let it sit in place, making sure the gap that we've sewn sits at the bottom and not at the top, okay? Mark that. And that's where you have the pocket sit. Pin that in place. Once you finish laying it down and pinning it, we're going to go to the machine, and we're going to sew center. Then you're going to start from the top, down, across, and then come back up. Now have it sewn, go across, up, and then in the center. It should now look like that. Okay, let's put that aside. Let's get our outer fabric and our inner fabric as well. Let's start with this first. Let's go ahead and get our zipper. You're gonna take your zipper, right side facing fabric, being flipped down, pin it in place. Okay, and then you're gonna get your lining, lay that on top of fabric, and making sure it's right side facing each other, and then just pin that. You're gonna go to machine, and you're gonna sew all the way across. Okay, you should now have it sewn at the top. So let's go ahead and continue our tutorial. Fold that down, and you're gonna get your other inner fabric, and then with a pocket facing upward like this, you're gonna place this on top of there. Pin that down. Take your other outer fabric, and you're gonna lay that on top of here like that, making sure it's right side facing together. And you're gonna go to machine, and you're gonna sew all the way across. Okay, you should now have it sewn. So we're gonna open this up, making sure both fabrics are facing each other like that. Okay. If you want, you can iron this down. Go to the machine, and we're gonna sew right here and right here. You should now have both sides sewn in the center. The next step, we're going to bring both of these fabric joining together, and then these two as well. Go ahead and open up your zipper, and then make sure everything touching that, and then pin that in place. And then for the other side as well. So once you finish pinning everything in place, we're going to be leaving a gap right over here. So once you leave that 10 centimeter gap, we're gonna start sewing whatever corner. You can start from here all the way across, then go down, come all the way around, and stop at that other line that we mark, leaving that 10 centimeter gap. should now have it sewn all the way around and then leaving that gap. Next step we're going to do is we're going to be measuring these corners. Each corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to measure 4 centimeters at the top and 4 centimeters at the bottom. Mark it and then measure 4 centimeters here as well and mark it and draw that line out. And then it's going to look like that. And then you're going to do that for all 4 corners. Go ahead and cut all 4 of these corners out. Once you finish cutting these out, let's go ahead and fold these. We can pin to get both of them. Bring them together, pin that in place. And you're going to do this for all 4 corners. Machine, and you're going to sew over here, 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 and then here. You now have it all sewn. Okay, so let's go ahead and flip this inside out. Sew this gap up first before we do anything else, okay? You should now have that sewn. So let's go ahead and tuck everything in place. Woohoo! Look at that. So pretty, y'all. You get your pockets here. Beautiful, y'all. Love it. So yes, y'all, that's it for our tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching. Thumbs up this video once again, and you will definitely see me in my next video.